Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will learn the Rate Stretch tool in Premiere Pro. You can access the Rate Stretch tool by coming over here on the Tools panel and selecting this icon, or you can simply press R on your keyboard to have the access to Rate Stretch tool. Rate Stretch tool is basically helps you to increase or decrease the speed of our footage. So at the moment you can see this is a normal clip, and what if I want to quickly increase its speed? So what I can do, I can select this Rate Stretch tool and take my mouse to the end of the footage, and now you can see my pointer has changed into something like this. This means I can drag my mouse in the right direction or in the left direction, and if I drag my mouse in the left direction, it is going to make this clip smaller in time duration. That means it is going to increase its speed, and if I drag it outside, in that case it is going to make it larger in duration, and that would slow down the footage. Alright, so first of all, let me just show you how to make it quickly double the speed of this footage. So I can click and drag it inside, maybe something like this, and if I just play right now, as you can see, it has started moving at a faster pace, or the double the pace. And as you can see over here, you will see a little bit of information that this clip is now 222.41%. so that means it's somewhat more than double the speed of its actual speed. Okay, and what if I want to make it slower? I again hover my mouse at the end of the clip, and I then click and drag it outside. So let's say maybe if I want to make it to the 9 second, then I can drag it to the 9, or if I want to drag it to the 10 second, then I can do this as well. And now if I just play this clip, you can see now it has slowed down this clip. So this is a very quick and faster way to increase or decrease the speed of your footage. But the only problem with this is that you will not be able to set the exact speed you want, because here you will not be able to see whether it is going to be 69%, 70%, or 100% or 200%. You will get to know only after you have made the changes. Alright, but if you want to have the exact or precise speed, then all you need to do, you need to right click on the footage and come over here on this option, which is at the speed, which is of speed or duration. Click, and here you can set the duration or the exact speed. Like for this case, I want it to be, let's say 150%, and press OK. And now you can see over here the information is there that now this speed of this clip has been changed to 150%. Alright, and if I again want to make the changes, then I again right click and select the speed or duration, and this time I want it to be 200% exactly, and then I'll press OK, and you will see now the speed is at the faster speed, or at the double the speed of its actual. Thank you so much. See you in the next lecture.